season, officially kicks in today. And despite a funding boost, the IRS is already behind. Gerri Willis is with us. Gerri, how far behind are they?
Very far behind. They're sitting on 2 billion unprocessed returns from previous years, and the door is opening now. They're expecting 128 million new returns this tax season. So they've got a big backlog. This is a recipe for disaster as tax season is officially underway, but the IRS is struggling to get its job done despite an infusion of billions of taxpayer dollars. Now, telephone service at the IRS is a mess, with fewer phone calls answered than the official numbers suggest. That, according to the National Taxpayer Advocate, that's an IRS watchdog. The agency has said it succeeded in hitting its goal of answering 85% of the calls it received on toll-free lines during the tax filing season. But guess what? The NTA in its annual report to Congress says, the IRS numbers don't count all calls for help to the agency. When you do that, only 35% of the calls were answered. Now, meanwhile, as the IRS put more resources to calls, unprocessed amended returns stacked up. Some 1.9 million returns, as we said, await resolutions compared to 500,000 at the end of 2019. It's only getting worse. NTA's Aaron Collins saying this: the IRS cannot easily shuffle employees back and forth between answering phones and processing correspondence. Going forward, the IRS needs to find a way to move employees between those two functions more nimbly. Now, the IRS watchdog also finding extraordinary delays in helping identity theft victims, taking on unconscionable 19 months to resolve self-reported cases. Now, despite the agency receiving tens of billions of dollars in taxpayer money through the Inflation Reduction Act and hiring thousands of folks since 2022, we've still got this big problem. And I just want to say one thing for tax filers out there, count me among you. A third of us are relying on refunds to be able to pay our bills. And so I know you're going to be worried that these backlogs are going to hurt your ability to get your refund. Follow it at Find My Refund tool on the IRS website. You can find out how long it's going to take to get your refund.
Bit of a mess, eh? 20 seconds?
Stunning.
Yes.
Look how big that number is. That doesn't just go away. This is incompetence of government.
Yes, it is. Thank you, Jason.